Manipur Social Audit Agency conducted Social Audit Gram Sabha of Nachau Gram Panchayat Bishnupur at the local community hall at Upokpi yesterday. The meet was chaired by KH Kula and was attended by Jila Parishad member, ward members and job card holders of the region. A 3-day induction program for students was kicked off yesterday at the multi-purpose hall of S. Kula Women's College. The event was organized by Internal Quality Assurance Cell. The program will highlight talent hunt, motivational talks, sports, cultural performances and many more. Mau Kaithel was opened today to the public at Khurai Lining Thau Puthiba Community Hall, Imphal East today. Many buyers thronged the market to buy organic goods from Mau. There were more than 50 stalls selling a wide range of fresh vegetables and flowers. The Special Investigation Team under the Union Home Ministry has decided to open the investigations in 7 anti-Sikh riot cases of 1984, in which trial had been completed and cases closed as the accused were discharged. As per reports, the 7 anti-Sikh riot cases were registered in 1984 at the police stations in Basant Bihar, Sunlight Colony, Kalyanpuri, Parliament Street, Kanod Place, Patel Nagar and Sadara. United States President Donald Trump has said the relation between India and Pakistan is less heated now than what was 2 weeks ago, reiterating his offer to help the two South Asian neighbors only if both of them want. The comment by Mr. Trump comes 2 weeks since his meeting with Prime Minister Narendra Modi on the sidelines of G7 summit in France on August 26. 4 Myanmar Muslims who were imprisoned last year for illegally entering Manipur have been released after serving jail term in Manipur Sajiwa Central Jail. They were escorted and sent back to More bordering Myanmar by a team of Manipur police to be handed over to the Myanmar authority there. The Joint Action Committee seeking justice in the suspicious death of Riamai Chungamlu has reiterated its demand for stringent punishment to Konjengbam Jackson, husband of deceased. In this regard, a press meet was held at Langol Tarung Community Hall today. The JAC also condemned what is said police brutality meted out to the demonstrators during a peace rally which was held on August 22 last to push for justice for Chingamlu. As a part of the annual event to pay tribute to pioneer Jananeta Irabod, the All India Youth Federation will organize the 24th edition of annual lyrics and song competition on September 15 at Irawat Bhavan, Imphal. A song competition will also be held on September 22nd at Jawaharlal Nehru Dance Academy and a blood donation camp at Jenims Porompat on September 26, the Federation said. Under the initiative of Nauria Pakhanglakpa MLA S. Subhash Chandra, dikes and peripheral trenches in paddy fields of Langthaba Lokon have remained in good condition, besides sufficient water for irrigation. Though paddy fields in most parts of Manipur are facing drought condition, that of Langthaba Lokon and Mongsangai Lokon have adequate water for irrigation. Nauria Pakhanglakpa BJP Mandal Vice President Sorok Khaibam Kula expressed dismay over the September 9 media reports which allegedly attempt to show the efforts of the MLA in bad light. A one-day public awareness cum book donation program was held at Johnstone Higher Secondary School, Imphal today. The event was organized by family of late Dr. H. Atul Chandra Singh in collaboration with the school authority. The program was held to celebrate 122nd birth anniversary of Dr. Atul Chandra.